The chuck retaining screw is used to secure the chuck to your drill. It has a reverse thread so it won't unscrew while you're drilling. The screw can eventually vibrate out. The head can break off, or the head can be stripped out while removing the screw. Replacing the chuck retaining screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll use an Allen wrench to remove the screw. The screw is a reverse thread. When I try to remove the screw, it just wants to rotate the drill spindle. So to prevent that, I'm going to insert the chuck key into the chuck, rotate the chuck around until the key is wedged against the table, and then that'll stop the chuck from rotating while I remove the screw. Now I can install the new chuck retaining screw. I'll drop it into the chuck and secure it with the Allen wrench. And again, remember, it is a reverse thread. And once again, to tighten it, I'll place the chuck key into the chuck, rotate it around until it binds against the workbench, and now I can tighten the screw. And that's all it takes to install a new chuck retaining screw on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.